To take the first step is a frightening thing. To face the unknown, the uncertainty it brings. But like the child who is tired of the crawl, the first step is the most important of all. It expands your horizons. You can see a new light. The joy of discovery is like taking flight. The first step you take will open all doors. To see yourself as you have seen you before. And like the child who gives it his all, sometimes he falters, he will teeter and fall, but such strong arms are there to catch him. And then they stand him back up to start walking again. The longest journey takes one step at a time. But once you get going, you will do just fine. Take my hand, friend. I will help you along. I'll be right beside you, as two we will be strong. Yes, that first step's a big one. The most important of all. But I will be there to catch you. Should you teeter and fall, we will set our sides forward, grit our teeth, and walk on. When we see that road ending, we will break into a run. I love you. I will help you all the way through. But to take that first step, well, that's up to you.